How do I get only the first closed caption from a video file? I need to find the start date of some video files on my hard drive. Date modified, or file name, etc. won't help me. The true start time is in the closed captions. Using Sextractor and some Python Popin. This generates a closed captions SRT file, and what I want is definitely there. But the problem is that these video files are hundreds of GB, and Sextractor generates the entire captions file. All I need is the start time, which is in the first entry. Is there an obscure undocumented option on Sextractor, or perhaps another free tool that will allow me to just get the first entry? The only alternative I can think of is to start Sextractor, spawn a thread to read the captions file that's being generated, and then kill the Sextractor process in the read thread. Not too bad, but I want to see if there's a better way out there first.
Instead of using process.communicate, which blocks until all data is read from the application, read the result line by line as a stream. Then, you can kill the underlying process after you've read as much as you care to. You'll also need to redirect output from csextractorwin.exe to stout, using the flag stout. This sends SQL to the application, which may, of course, work differently on Windows than on Linux or OS X. If there's a problem, see here for alternative solutions on killing it. In Python 2.5, how do I kill a subprocess? Hope that helps.
If you want some help, listen to the plugin.